This is Bheiravi Shah. I'm a tarot reader, that is card reader, not only tarot reader. I am a numerologist, a therapist in some very limited client work. I do that. I am a coach as well. I do many workshops. I do seminars. I do WhatsApp workshops and courses related to our self growth, our life growth, even money management. It's not about management, it's about spiritual laws of money, to create money and how to work with that. Right now we are working with Lenormand, basics. The reason I came up with this is because so many times there are so many things that are going around as an information, and when we are trying to get ahead of ourselves because we are so excited to learn a particular thing, we almost always forget the basics, to remember the basics. So I have come up with this mini course for free on the channel as a video thing, so that people who are enthusiastic about Lenormand learning as well, they can get the basics of it. I particularly insist on you getting a journal and writing down the basic meanings, basic words that are symbolized by the card which is symbolized by those meanings as well. And I want you to practice on your own, while either is one card or two cards. I would maximum two cards pairing, and use those meanings that I have given it to you in your journal while reading that. Of course, as you go ahead, you will discover, you will understand more, you will really get clarity about what did that card also could mean. It can be an individual thing. Now, right now we have come to the card Mountain, which is a card number 21. Mountain indicates obstacles. It indicates not trouble, but something which is like a barrier. In some cases, mountain indicates enemy, yeah. And it does indicate something which would be a barrier for a long time. It would take a lot of strength for overcoming that barrier, to overcome that blockage. It is an indication of blockage. Mountain is a negative card. That goes almost, I believe that goes without saying, but it does depend on the surrounding cards. It does depend on the significator's closeness or farawayness. I'm not sure if that is the word, but it depends a lot on those things. It also depends how it plays out, whether on the basis of whether it is surrounded by positive cards or negative cards. So those are the things to keep in mind in regards to Mountain. In some cases, like a bear can be a protection as an enemy, or some powerful influence which can work in your favor or which can work against you. Mountain can also be that, a protection too, but it's very, very rare that it would work as a protection. Most of the times it's something which is a barrier, an obstacle for a very, very long time. So that almost gives me an indication of an end of something. So there are approximately 4 words that you can write down in regards to Mountain. A difficulty is also Mountain. An obstacle is a mountain. A barrier is a mountain. An enemy is a mountain, depending on the surrounding cards depending on the significator, whether it's close to the mountain or far away, whether it's before the mountain or afterwards, whether it's above the mountain or below. All those indicators can vary how it manifests. So here for today, the mountain is something that we are done with. We will meet you in the next video.